Hi guys.
Hi guys. So, Rara, Mylin, and their dad going to get her checked. The other boys are here also, so we're gonna check out what they're doing here. Looks like we have a little chica in here. Lah, huy, Jisril.
Ay.
Jisril. Pagtarong gusto.
Kabalo dahil galing ng money may dari.
Huy,
Inte.
Kasil Roy. Huy, unsa magkaroy? Kumusta Roy?
Kira.
Nanambok lagi ka Roy.
Magkuhan sa ko.
The Kaprakno here. Follow guys their page, Kaprakno Vlog.
Wag na. Ay, ang kanding.
We're gonna check out the baby goats guys. Check out, very cute. Look how cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, so cute. So cute. The white one and the brown one is also nice.
Tinduga.
Hello, very cute. Oh, look at this one. So cute. There's two of them this time, and then look at the other one that when I was here last time, guys. It's big. It's big now. The other. Ay, oh, poor. It's only one for this one here. It's big now. It's big. Looking for mama's milk. Yeah. Drinking mama's milk. Hi, Pear.
Hi.
Nilak ba yan na siya?
Jasper just been spending all hours here watching the baby goats. You like the baby goats?
Yeah. Tutoy. Sige ba ito pa itong brown? Brownie.
Brownie. Very cute. So cute.
Ang tidak ka na daw. Ang sada ka na white na kay. White tea daw na.
CMM.
Nila.
Ngayon sa kaniya.
So cute. Uy, hala. Let's check. This is there's visitor. Ang kalit gani may ganhi kay sa igi man. Mo gani. Well, I kuan man kalit ra may ganhi. Oh, they're drying some rice. And this is cacao here.
Hi.
They are surprised that why you and Marites came here unannounced. They're drying some rice, guys.
Pwede dalan si kon? Dini?
Sa po anhe tong dinso nga din. There's our mom.
Hello.
Our dad asking, oh, where's Dennis? Dennis is not gonna come because he only gonna spend here an hour and he will get tired. He'll be walking in the mud also. Too much. And it's hot. Kisa masaka?
Samuel.
Nasaka na niya.
Kuan. Dosi dito kapunuan pa.
Ano yung sudan? What's you guys food?
Naman to eh.
Napiti na kung prito-prito tinabal sa ting bahua dira sa sulod.
Maribin frying some salted what is it called?
Tilapia.
Salted tilapia. Oh my gosh.
Diha pwede na ako sa sulod giluto. Ay,
What are these? Rice? Rice ni?
niya.
Ano man nga gamay raman.
Duha pa sapot. Morning abot kitangkag.
Oh wow, this is Ruel's rice. Anong diha man?
Ito na Mexican.
That's Ruel? Katangkag na.
Iyahan yung humay gipalit ni tatay.
Oh, our dad bought a couple of sacks of rice from his farm, from Ruel's rice harvest. Our dad brought this food to who's neighbors? Kisa nga neighbor?
Dito tatong namaligyan.
We'll try this food too, guys.
Kamot.
Kaya ba? Tilaw lang ba?
Ilaw.
At di ata ate mo di
Iking. Iking.
Ay, walang.
Ano daro siya ba?
Dami, bitaw.
Tapos mo na.
Let's eat, guys. Very good. Eat, guys. And they're already inviting us for lunch again.
Ano?
Mylene, Samuel, and Rara, they just left 5 minutes ago to go get a check. They're just gonna come home after check-up. It's raining, guys. We were doing a lot of chika-chika in there. And then it got done because it's raining.
How many hilagdawan kahapon din?
Our aunt, we're having chika-chika there with our aunt.
Di naman ni maunsa.
Asa man na ito ni Ibutang? Uy, busnot man na tayo. Ano oh? Ito?
Kuan man sa manok.
Because it's raining. Marites also getting the clothes.
Init ay. Ay,
Hindi, taligsik lagi oh. Ha?
ay sod ni say.
Bukan ko na ito.
Na, init ay.
Hindi, kay, unsa man yung init nga mo, kuan naman gihapon na.
Di gano'n na.
Di, kay taligsik man gihapon. Ikuan ra ko na tayo. Katul ra ba kayo ning humay?
At kabila ni Marisa kay abog ni.
Abog ito ni Katlan ko ano. Kani ba mauga naman ni oh. Uga man.
Turmay sa adlaw ko.
Recycling the empty sacks. You know, they can use it something to store some things.
Dali ko turog dito sa gulay.
Thank you, Auntie, for helping. We were doing so much chika-chika in here, and then when the rain started, like, oh my gosh, we need to put
Ang imong hataw.
Napa, mag-uipan, Auntie?
Ko daban ka.
Ha? Naday kay nilaban?
Gang 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 go.
She needs to be in a hurry because she hung some clothes outside also. Per! Hi, Per!
Hi.
Nganong imong sanina nga basa naman po na? Malawin, dali, please, Auntie.
Suksa ko sa got daw. Ingat sa kung doon may bidang ko.
Arungar ko na yung istorya. Arang-arang 2 to 3 days. I-admit daw siya. We just got back from the doctors, guys. What? The timing, because it started raining again. That rain earlier didn't happen. The sun came out, and then now it started raining again, and they just got here. And the doctor said that if she doesn't get better in 2 to 3 days, go back to the doctor again.
Admit na daw.
Admit again.
Tangga. Ayun pa, admit ra.
Pero right tambal, is there a medicine?
May tambal yan.
Oh, I hope she gets better. The doctor said her lung is still clear because you know the cough just started.
Di happy kay hindi mo nga ba?
Naikuan sa libo. Sa libo. They just got back. What lucky. You guys are lucky, no?
Perti ganing dali-dali na.
So lucky that they got home before raining so hard. Poor Rara.
Ay,
Poor Rara. Ano eh? Gosh, raining hard. See, if they got rained on, they will get wet. Oh my God. There! Hi, there! Ala, tig yung pertihaw. Hi, Per! Hi, Per! Now you can't spend the time on the baby goat. Uy, raining oh. Kinsa? May nag-harvest?
salamat sa tato kanina kay wahig kayo init karon budak.
We were glad because the road going to, or the pathway going to the road, it's starting to get dry. But now, it's gonna get muddy again. Very muddy.
Very,
Huh?
very,
Yeah.
very dada.
Yeah. Hi guys. Hi. Nababay.
Hi guys.
Oh, nah, sige na.
Hi guys.
Marara, I hope you feel better soon, Ra. We just started having this, guys, last night. Last night. Still raining. Uy. Let's eat cassava, guys. This cassava came from our dad's farm. So, he cooked some. Very easy to cook. You just boil them. I know that they always say, oh, isn't the cassava poisonous if you undercook it? Unsa ka na makahilo tayo, mabuhat sa init? Langhoy.
Anong pabuhat ko dyan?
Yeah, if you lit it in the sun and then you don't cook it right, but you know, we've been eating cassava since before. See? Let's eat, friend. Cassava this time. So good. Labo man lagi nito.
Tabuhin.
And Maribin here cooking some tilapia.
Tama sa idada na to?
Salted tilapia. Ang tulog siguro. And our dad they're cooking more tilapia. Very good. Guys, we're going fishing to the fish pond. There's Maritis. We just finished our lunch, guys. Cassava lunch. Look how excited Jasper is.
Ang paon, guys!
Maribin is already bringing a bucket as if we can catch. Unsa na? Where we put the fish?
Oh, nanay water.
Yeah.
We put
Oh, there's water in it so the fish can swim. Uy, unsa man na? Ay,
Gumitin na.
ay mong saba kay maybe they're sleeping. Rara and imong mama are asleep. Uy, nag-ubo-ubo marong si Rara. I can hear Rara coughing. We are going to the fish pond. Ha?
Hoy, ayaw tayo
Ano man?
kipip.
Hala, there's a coconut there oh. Pero sus, prating delikaduhan ni ba? Uy, paghinay.
Dili man ko. Sulay, dili ko na kwate.
Dili man ko. He don't even want me to hold him.
Lapit pa.
Kutulog ba mo ni Kako? Ambe, perbe.
Samilin, pag careful diha.
Okay.
Careful, per. Uy, nga nung naaman yung kwan, there's a tree in here.
Hirap ng kamayag.
Be, kaya ko ako, be.
Pila ra good kay kwan man. They already caught about a few earlier. Big
Be,
big catfish. We are in the middle of the jungle.
Be. Be.
Kabalo na ka mamingot, Jasper.
Uy, I heard some frogs in here.
Bright. Niti. Tanawa ka, Jasper.
La, your spear is moving. La,
Bright.
ayaw, kwan na, unya na. Ayaw tanduga.
Ayog, biraha, Jasper. Adi ka balo ng
Ayaw biraha ha. Ayo bira. Tuto.
Naago?
Let go. Oh my god. Sayang nga adoy, what a waste.
Awa lagi.
Di na itong balik og tukog.
Ay, it got away. Because dili siguro nahait.
Diri old na nga
Ay, it's a very old hook. You need to change it. I-change sa ba? Sayang nga ato eh.
Bakit siguro ni?
Ay,
Tara. Itukob na. Yeah, I can see the thing that is eating. Wait, what was that?
that's the fish.
Saan?
Taasa mo.
Bag.
Lot of
Awa na, oy, nakabuhi na to go. Wa naman nilimo.
we'll see if we're gonna catch anything. Waiting.
Ay, tukog sa ko.
Oh, seems like something is biting sa Ruel's thing.
Na imupir.
Keep waiting, be patient. We were doing a lot of chika guys because it was raining.
Luwag-luwag ba?
Ayun, luhag kapir. Ayun, luhag ka. Sa Millen had me hold this fishing pole.
Wala man lagi ning uban si Jezreel kag.
Nasa balay.
Yay! They caught one! We'll see how many kilos this is that they caught.
Mine.
Wow!
Yay!
Oh my god, look how cute that is. Unsa ni, what kind of fish is this?
Karpa daw.
Ay, you need to let it go. Ibalik na hala. Too small. You need to put it back. Ikaw lagi. Ibalik kay maaro mabu. Pero lagi. Dili man ako. Sige, it's sad to me.
My fish is not.
Jasper is so proud. He said, "It's my fish." You caught it, Per?
Di pa niya
Yeah.
ipabalik. Di pa niya
Are
ipabalik.
you happy?
Yes.
Yes. He's so happy he caught a fish. He's so proud saying like, "Oh, it's my fish."
Usaw imong.
Uy, sa Milin, ay itugsaw man nimo, don't put your thing. Let's fish, guys.
This fish nice.
Nah, let's fish, guys.
This fish, This fish, guys.
Yes. Very good. Sige, bantayin na sa Milin kay basig berahon.
Sige ka na.
Hala, murag nanana, oh.
Oh.
I guess we're gonna go home. Maribin don't wanna give up, but we cannot catch anything. Nothing on the bucket that Maribin prepared. Per, are you catching anything anymore?
No.
No?
Not here.
Be careful, ha? Oh. Wow, out of everybody, Jasper is the only one that caught one. That's fine. Sa Millen, next time for you, okay? Earlier though, they caught a lot of catfish. Yung sa ni lubi ni kag what happened to this coconut? Why it's very skinny? Yeah, it's malnourished. Look at this coconut, guys, very skinny.
Ayaw igong ba?
Hawa dira just fair. People.
Pantiwa man jud hindi tukog-tukog. Uy,
Wa man lang yun yung lihok bisa gamay.
nam. Da.
Daghan kini isla wala ka pa.
It's not season for fruits this time, guys. I keep looking up and there's Java apple there. There's jackfruit. There's rambutan. There's a pink apple. There's lansunis there. And other fruits, but they're not fruiting right now. This Java apple has a couple of fruits in it, but I can't reach it there. It's up there. Way high. Kanang ko matambis. Na duha ka bukbunga gagmay. The pineapple not ripe yet.
Karan.
Not season for fruits. Maybe around kuano mga April ay July. Ay, there's a spider oh. Spider. Kuya, saan?
Nakatakuan na. Takwa, oy. Isa.
Look at the spider.
Asa. Asa. Dura, oh.
Did you catch it? No. No luck. Oh my god. Look at all the chickens and ducks. Because our dad is going to feed them for dinner now. He's schooling them. Huh? Look at all the ducks and chickens. Okay. Ayun na lang. Ay, magpalit na tag-isda. Silig yung ako. Suguhan na to. Sugot na. Look at guys, the chickens. Ayun na lang sa tatay. Pag-ihawag ka lang ko. Palit ko na ito slag isda. Our dad is talking about maybe we should have chicken for dinner again. I told him no. We'll just buy some fish. They're all over the yard. They're eating together, the ducks and chickens. Natulog si Rara? Is Rara asleep? No?
Yes.
Yeah. The soil starting to get dry, but then it raining again, so now it's, see? You can see guys, there's mud again. That's how you call the chickens. And there's little chicks in here. Little chicks. I like this idea, guys, what our dad doing. See, he recycled all the, like for example, they buy the plastic like soda. He don't waste it. See, the half of it he put soil and then put green onions, and then the other half that has lid on it. See right here, he hang it. He put some bamboo in here. Then he's planting some green onions. See, they're very nice and organic. And whenever they need some, they just harvest like that. Pick some of the leaves. I like this idea. Maybe I should do this at home. I like planting stuff, you know. It's just that maybe I don't have time, or maybe I don't have a place for it, especially now that we have an extension. See, our mom also have some plants here in the side, some plants, and then in here a lot of pineapple from there to here. Too bad. Seems like it's taking a long time to get ripe, this pineapple. See this one here. What's going on here? Chika chika. Pero let's chika chika. How many fish did you catch?
Huh?
How many fish?
Isa.
Isa?
One.
Isa means one. Good job, Per. You're the only one who caught the fish. Wow. Good job. This pink apple here, guys, no fruit in it. Couple of times before, I was the one who saw some ripe ones in there, but this time no fruits. Next time, maybe in a couple of months, because you know this is cold season, so that's why they didn't fruit. And then our dad, there has a little garden, more green onions, more some green stuff. There's mango there, mango tree. There's jackfruit. There's guyabano or sour soup. Dako. Asarapit. Oh, is there a fruit on the jackfruit? Oh, there's a guyabano. There's I can see a couple of fruits here, but they're not ripe yet. Oh, actually, there's a lot of them. Sour soup is very good for you guys. Lots of benefits on it. I don't know if I can stand here. Maybe I can. I'll show you guys the guyabano. See? Very good. Yeah. There's plenty more up there. See, I'm able to stand here, guys. And this is jackfruit here, guys. Sometimes they fruits and sometimes they don't. There! Where are you going?
Kita ako maskod.
Ay, you saw a mouse?
Oh, dila.
Where?
Tago. Dila.
Where?
Dila.
Oh, really?
Dila.
Wow! Same thing here, guys. Our dad planting some green onions, but this one is getting skinnier. It's probably old. He needs to replace this. See?
Kamay na pa.
You need to take care of this thing here because it got bushy. There's some lemongrass. What is this? Papaya. Spinach. This is spinach. They're looking for some spider to play, not the poisonous spider. This thing here, guys, is a tinangkong, the same like I got in the yard, in our yard. No? Ambi daw kag. Oh yeah, they found a spider. Yeah, this is a spider to play.
That's a
Uy,
later.
ay, butang. Pero,
That's a later. That's a later.
oh,
That's a liter.
yeah. Look at this.
That is a liter tian.
Healthy yan.
I'm gonna big them.
Ayaw, pinto mo kamuta.
Big.
Ande.
Sorry, Jasper.
Mama.
It's almost dark now. It's around like 5:30 right now, no? 5:30.
Spider.
Ayaw, kwento.
Ginto.
See who's taller na. Wow, Marites. And then Samilin is about up to Marites' neck. In about 1 year, she will be as tall as her aunties. Because me, Maribin, and Marites and Mylene, we are about the same height. Pareha lagi mo sanina. Why you guys have the same t-shirt? Black.
Isa din yung sanina there.
Whose t-shirt is that?
Ay.
Oh, wait. Marites always wear our mom's t-shirt, ha? Unsa man? Why? Saka na yan. Did you catch anything?
No.
No? No fish, no luck tonight. Pagdala og kwan kag pan. Oh, I was telling Roel to bring some sweet bread, you know, for Gisrel, and because Gisrel went home earlier and he didn't come back. And Gisa, of course, she barely leave at her house because of her business.
Kapitik mata ba?
Ayaw kay it's gonna makwanta, magbuta ta na. Isugba-sugba gamay ang limonsito di. We're gonna sit here in the bench. Dali sa milin, lingkod kay magkwanta picture ta. Diri ko. Picture, picture. Now our dad just turned on the TV for some news. He likes to watch the news every night. Believe it or not, guys, it seems like he knows more what's going on in the world than us. When you when you talk to him about something, he knows what's happening. He knows what to answer you. He listens to radio. I think his radio is fixed now, so he listens to it in the morning, and then in the evening he watch
Makapitik
TV.
lagi kag puto lagi nag-ikog. Sungkaban ano?
The Ming
Sungkaban.
Ming Ming came. Dili.
Di putlan ikog. Dili. Panul lagoy 300 ko. Ay pakyaw. Kaya rin mo na ba yan?
Ako kwarta gidi.
Tuwi pa rin.
Wala na ka na.